Rising and I'm so happy to be here. It was crazy and so fun. I didn't think it was going to be this good. Everything was like a big party and we just had such a good time and so happy that we got to perform as well. So it was great.
And we did a song, Running, and that was brilliant. Running, running, running. Lots of tips that I'm like letting ruminate in my head, and it was great.
This is our first Gospel Rising and our first gig all together as a group, which was like the perfect place to start out. Everyone was so nice. There's such a good crowd here. They were so encouraging and everything, and even just being with all the other groups and all the other choirs, it's been amazing.
I think everyone should go to Gospel Rising because it's something for everybody. There's stuff for people who haven't sung before in a choir, and there's stuff for people who are just trying to learn and improve their skills. So I learned so many things and I've been singing for years. And also you get the chance to work with professionals who work with celebrities, so you'll never get that chance again. So it's just amazing. It's a big party.
The workshops yesterday were amazing. We learned so much. Definitely, just come, be involved. You don't even have to come with people. You can come on your own. It's still so much fun. There's so many people here that are like-minded. Everyone's into music. So I just say, just do it. Just come.
Just try it out, give it a go, and you'll know how satisfying it is. It's so satisfying to sing gospel music and to listen to it. Listen to that. It's just such fun.